Welcome to Brainwave classes with the topic framing algebraic expression. The last part and the third part of this topic with me. Let's begin. In the previous video, we have discussed what is algebraic expression and how can we frame algebraic expression. So please see the first part of this topic, then the second part, then the third part. You will know everything. Now, in this part, I will do 6 questions, and with this, let's begin with you and me. Question number 4. Form expressions for the following. We will form expressions for the following. Let's begin. Ranveer's present age is X years. 5 years ago, his age was. So the statement says Ranveer's present age is X years. 5 साल बाद उसकी एज क्या होगी? So how we have to form an expression means a formula in algebraic form. So can we form that? We will. Firstly, I will open my board screen. Wait a moment. Okay, my board screen is open. Let's begin. Open my marker. Now we will start. Okay, I will do this. Okay, it's easy. Okay, so the first one, Ranveer's present age is X, and 5 years ago his age was. Firstly, you will guess the question statement saying I have already told. So now I will write. It's a easy one. X plus 5 years is equal to the age of Ranveer. Means the statement says in the present time the age of Ranveer is X years, but 5 years ago means he is telling 5 years ago means 2020. In 2020 he says Ranveer's Ranveer's present age is X years after 5 years means in 2025 what is Ranveer's age. So we will plus because we do not know the what is the value of X. Now the second one. Okay, I have closed my marker. Firstly I will open that. Okay, the cost of a pen is rupees P and the cost of a notebook is rupees Q. The total cost of 3 such pens and 5 such notebooks is so we will do. Let's begin. I think the rupees sign will be inside or not. Let me check. Okay, I have checked it. Rupees sign will be inside. Rupees P into 3 plus rupees Q into 5. Okay, now we will do the fourth one is smaller, I know, but subtract the sum of P and Q from the sum of R and S. So in the fifth question there is sum and subtract both, so we will plus or add P and Q, then minus from the sum of R and S. There is from and जो स्टेटमेंट का आधा हिस्सा फ्रॉम के बाद होता है वो पहले आ जाता है और जो फ्रॉम से पहले होता है वो बाद में आ जाता है. I am telling you how does from work. Okay, let's begin. So bracket r plus s bracket close minus bracket open p plus q done. Fourth, then fifth we have done. Now we will do the sixth and seventh. So let's. Okay. I think there is answer. In this question, I have written the answer. So we don't know any both. So I will screen black. Now, don't see answer. I will not tell you. Now let's begin. Okay. टोटल वेजेस रुपीज़ डब्ल्यू. तो जो टोटल वेजेस है उसे रुपीज़ डब्ल्यू में किया गया है. ऑफ अ मैन हुज बेसिक वेज इज रुपीज़ बी for T hours a week plus overtime at rupees R per hour if he works a total of T hours. So the question says total wages एक कोई आदमी है जिसकी टोटल वेज रुपीज़ डब्ल्यू है, ठीक, और उसकी बेसिक वेज जो वेज उसको मिलती है वो रुपीज़ बी है फॉर टी आर्स स्मॉल टी आर्स. बट एक वीक को उसको प्लस ओवर टाइम करने के लिए बोला रुपीज़ आर पे जो पर आर मिलेगा इफ़ ही वर्क्स अ टोटल ऑफ टी आर्स. ठीक, बड़ा बिग टी कैपिटल टी. सो वेजेस फॉर टी आर्स रुपीज़ बी. ओवर टाइम टी माइनस टी आर्स. ओवर टाइम का अगर टाइम जानना है तो जो टोटल टाइम है उससे माइनस कर देंगे टी आर्स को. ओके, और वेजेस फॉर ओवर टाइम रुपीज़ आर टी माइनस टी फॉर्मूला. ओके, नाउ क्योंकि रुपीज़ आप पर आर मिलता है और वो आर्ट्स में जो आएगा आंसर वो आर्ट्स में होगा तो इनटू होगा. नाउ द टोटल वेजेस. सो टोटल वेजेस विल बी वेजेस फॉर टी आर्ट्स प्लस वेजेस फॉर ओवर टाइम ऑफ टी आर्ट्स ऑफ टी माइनस टी. तो फॉर्मूला निकलेगा रुपीज़ डब्ल्यू इक्वल्स टू रुपीज़ बी प्लस रुपीज़ आर इंटू टी माइनस टी. सो ये फॉर्मूला निकल गया. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे कंस्ट्रक्ट द फॉर्मूला बनाना था. तो हम लोग को ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के रूप में हमें एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला बनाना है. ऐसे ही 7th क्वेश्चन है. ठीक, अब 7th क्वेश्चन मैं करूँगा बोर्ड पे. एक क्वेश्चन मैंने सोचा कि एक टाइम पे मुझे इसी में समझा देना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन मैंने इसी पे समझा दिया. नाउ वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन इन द बोर्ड. लेट्स बिगिन. फर्स्टली आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम द फॉर्मूला में गिवन है b इक्वल्स टू 2a² माइनस बी स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे हम इसको a की पावर 2 बोल सकते हैं लेकिन हम a² बोलते हैं, वो सही है. a पावर 2 भी बोल सकते हैं लेकिन a². When a इक्वल्स टू फाइंड कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ b. हमें b की वैल्यू निकालनी है जिसका फॉर्मूला है 2a पावर 2 और a² माइनस b² वेयर a इक्वल्स टू 3 एंड b इक्वल्स टू -1. Okay, we will do. I will put the camera here. Okay, so b equals to 2a² minus b². Then a equals to 3 comma b equals to -1. Now b equals to 2 into 3 square minus -1 square. Okay, so 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 2 into 9 is 18. So b equals to 18 Minus 1 power square. That means we will do here that you can understand minus 1 into minus 1. Minus minus, which is bigger, minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. Then minus minus, here is minus, to minus minus plus. So the sign will be plus. No, it will be minus. As I think, it will be minus. Okay, I can explain you why. Just give me a moment. Okay, that's my mistake. I have to put them in bracket. Okay. Then minus minus will be plus, plus 1 minus 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 1. That's simple. So the answer will be 17. I have explained you. And we have done the 17th one also. In 11 minutes, we have done 4 questions. So let's do the 8th and the 9th, last one. Find the average A of 4 quantities P, Q, R, and S. I think I have done this question. So A average equals to P plus Q plus R plus S upon 4. I'm not seeing from the board, I'm seeing from the camera. Okay. Now find the value of S. A is 6, P is 3, Q is 5, R is 7, and S upon 4. Now we will do from here. 6 equals to 15 plus S upon 4. I was correct. I am just rechecking in this step. I am thinking that I can be right. I could be wrong, but I am right. Let's begin. So 6 into 4, because when the 4 goes there, the sign, it isn't divide, it isn't division. Then there, when it goes there, it will goes in multiplication. Okay, understand? And 15 plus S, 6 for the 24 equals to 15 plus S. 24 minus 15 equals to S. Why? Because 15 is in plus, and when it goes here the sign changes, minus. So 24 minus 15, 9 equals to S, means S equals to 9. And how to check? 15, when we plus the 3, so the average is 6. Take out the average. P is 3, Q is 5, R is 7, and S is 9 upon 4. So it will 6, average is 6. Okay, so we will write A, not 6, equals to 24 upon 4, 4, 4, 6. Yes, we are correct. So now let's do the last question. Sorry, this is not the last part. I was wrong. This is the last part of this exercise, not the topic. Topic is very big. It has, I think, 4 or 5 exercise. But in the first 3 episodes, I have done very lazy work in the first 2 work. But after this, we will do 6 or 5 questions maximum or minimum. Now let's do the this one. T, find T. 2a minus b, a equals to 7, comma b equals to 3, t equals to 2 into 7 minus 3, t equals to 14 minus 3, t equals to 11. Done. And we have done these questions in 16 minutes. So we have the spirit, we have the time, we will cut this. We have the spirit, we have the time, we have done all the questions of this chapter, exercise 8. Now, thank you for your support and everything. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for such episodes and share with your friends who are in class 6th. Okay? Stay with us. With our new videos, we will reach you. So, the next video will be exercise P with more interesting ways with me. So, bye bye.